I'm very serious. I'm considering this as a signal that maybe I should pack my bags and go home.
Hello guys, welcome back to Plant Ami.
Hey guys, welcome back to Planet Amit. So after so many days I am holding the camera. हुआ क्या कि जो इतनी अमू ने एक हाइप बनाई हुई थी बाल कटवाने का सोच रहा हूँ फाइनली अमू गंजे हो गए हैं तो ही इज़ अ baldy now and तो अभी बट ही इज़ स्टिल नॉट प्रिपेयर टू कम ऑन कैमरा. लाइक अमू को बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसा लग रहा था कि आई एम गोना लुक लाइक यू नो somebody like super handsome and all of that, super hot he's saying पीछे से, but कुछ ज़्यादा ही बिल्कुल ही यू नो क्लीन वो कर लिया है, पूरा को पूरा क्लीन कर लिया. बट देन आई थिंक ही स्टिल नॉट रेडी नाउ. ही इज़ नॉट रेडी नाउ. ही इज़ फीलिंग दैट आई एम नॉट रेडी टू कम ऑन कैमरा. सो वो कुछ ग्लिम्पसेस दिखेंगे आज. एंड ऑल्सो वन मोर रीज़न दैट वी गाइस वर नॉट शूटिंग वाज बिकॉज मनु इज़ हियर, as you guys know, and he is never willing to come on camera. So हम लोग ज़्यादा बाहर गए भी नहीं, लोकली जा रहे थे और बहुत ही अब्रप्ट प्लान्स बने. सो यू नो वी जस्ट फॉरगॉट टू शूट एंड तो अभी हम लोग आज फाइनली पता नहीं बहुत टाइम के बाद हम लोग पैलेडियम आए हैं. मैं बोलती रहती हूँ बट अमू को भी यहाँ पे लेके नहीं आते, तो मनु के बहाने मैंने बोला क्यों नहीं. So we are here. We just almost reached, and I'm super hungry. So अभी हम लोग जाएंगे, खाएंगे, पिएंगे, घूमेंगे. उसके बाद का प्लान हमारा फ़िलहाल ये है कि हम लोग कैंडीज़ जाने वाले हैं. कैंडीज़ is one more place that we've been wanting to take Manu. It is according to us, it is like a must watch, must go place. Like a person should definitely visit that. And पीछे से ये लोग इतनी कमेंट्री किए जा रहे हैं कि मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा, आधा ध्यान वहाँ पे कि क्या बोलना है क्या नहीं बोलना है. सो एनीवे हम लोग यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट पहुँच गए. बहुत भूख लग रही है, खाना खुना खाने वाले हैं. उसके बाद हम लोग कैंडी जाने वाले हैं, फिर शायद कार्टर रोड का हम लोग एक गेड़ी मारेंगे एंड देन प्रोबेबली विल गो होम. बाकी लेट्स जस्ट सी, कुछ चीज़ें कम ज़्यादा होती हैं डिपेंडिंग ऑन द टाइम. सो लेट्स जस्ट टेक यू अराउंड. ओके एंड सी आज आई हैव टेकन little efforts in getting ready. So I hope I'm looking good. I'm gonna tell these guys to show how I am looking because I'm really liking this choker. I really love chokers. So I'm wearing this choker with this shirt. It is quite a fusion kind of look, but I'm liking it. You tell me, how do you like it? Okay, you guys never share your thoughts. So my friends also always tell me in person, but they never comment on the videos. So Swati, Z, and Nitka, and all of my friends who watch my our vlogs. So please comment whatever you think. And yeah, so let's go.
मैं तो आऊँगा नहीं आज मैं आप लोगों को खाली शूट करते हुए दिखाई दूँगा. मैं आज कैमरामैन अमित टावर के साथ आप देख रहे हैं हैरी ब्लॉग्स, और ये है शिवा दी भगत दी डावर, एंड ये है मन्नू दी ओनली भगत नो डावर.
Amit, thumbs up if the food is good.
Very good.
Okay. Shiva,
Very good.
this is the best part.
So guys, हम लोग का खाना पीना हो गया है. We went to Jamie Oliver's pizzeria and it was super good. We tried this pesto pizza pesto, that's what I said. And then we also tried this cheese Pareto gnocchi, and there was this another mac and cheese. Mac and cheese was okay. We did not really like that much because there was nothing.
Mac and cheese is supposed to be okay, that is it.
Yeah, but there was nothing much. I mean, it wasn't that great. And after that, the most important thing that we do need whenever we step out is coffee. So we all had iced coffee. And right now my hands are free because Manu is holding the camera and Amu is behind the camera. He doesn't want to come on the camera. This is his iced coffee cup. Why are you ruining my camera? ऐसा
मनु
है
कहाँ जा रहा है?
हम
कैमरा
लोग
में
यहाँ
आ।
पे मॉल में आए हैं, हम लोगों ने खरीदा कुछ भी नहीं है एंड मैं इन लोग के पीछे पड़ी हूँ कि मुझे कुछ दिला दो, मुझे कुछ दिला दो, क्योंकि आई एम नॉट अर्निंग, सो आई विल नॉट बाय माई सेल्फ, सो आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइस एंड
I
these
don't
guys
mind
are so
giving
bad.
it, but I don't like to. I can buy Amit.
Nalayak bhai के अगर एग्जाम्पल देखनी है तो he is the one because he is ready to give Amit anything but not me. He is like मैं नायका पे ऑर्डर करता था, जो freebies आएंगी you keep those.
हाँ, she can
and that is also like one ehsan. You see, I am giving you that. So whatever. So I am gonna tell my pati to give me something, and we are going to probably do lifestyle, right? Lifestyle or there's Shoppers Stop also here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go there and let's see if we can find something. So let's go.
And I want to go here, but I don't know how. There's like a game or something you go and play here. It's a film Red Notice. See.
तो ये ना आई डोंट नो नेटफ्लिक्स पे किसी ने आप लोगों ने मूवी देखी है नहीं देखी है. There is this movie Red Notice and
not good
हम
enough.
लोगों ने
It is.
It's
it
not good
was
enough.
good, it was good. I mean,
It's a
it was
hyped up
okay.
rubbish.
No, it was a good one-time watch at least. So I did not really get bored or something. So we have seen this movie and I'm usually not really in and I don't get excited about going for such things. So they have created this space like a movie promotion kind of thing. So wherein you can go in and you can steal and keep something, stealers and keepers thing that they have created inside, and some sort of game, Red Notice game. And I'm a little intrigued to go and check it out. What all do they have? And so is Amu, but Manu is not really in for that. So let's see if we go there. But I'm sure even if we go there, you won't be able to shoot it for sure. So yeah.
Let's check.
Pink Panther sandwich. Thank you. Subscribe. We are finally done with Palladium Mall. Do you want to
Yeah.
add anything? It was
No, so we are.
very good.
We planned that we're gonna stay in the mall only for like 2 hours, but now it has stretched way beyond that, and now we are quickly moving to Candies. Like we're going to Candies now because we want him to
Not
see
moving to
as well.
Candice. We're going there.
We're moving from here to Candies now. Moving.
I genuinely had a lot of fun. I'm not gonna lie.
Mask लगा ले. Somebody.
Maybe. I had fun. I had a lot of fun, and this place is really good. By the way, just to conclude, this was a very fun evening, and hopefully we'll have same kind of fun at Candies.
Yeah.
Cheerios. Hello guys. We have stopped at the Hill Road. I just want to make myself clear that I was not in favor of this, and very rightly so, because this place is an obvious step down in terms of everything. This place is not good enough. I'm not in favor of this. Let's hope we move out of this place as soon as possible. So let me tell you something else also. I forgot to add that. I mean, if someone takes you to Hill Road after Palladium, obviously your company is not appreciated. I mean, that is a very clear signal that it's time to go. You've overstayed your welcome. Because this place, trust me, is horrible. I mean, following up, it may not be horrible for some people or by itself. But following Palladium up with this, it's bad. I mean, it's like giving signals ki maybe you should go home. Going home as in packing up my bags and leaving for Chandigarh. This is bad. I have to obviously analyze whether this is actually a very clear signal or not. By the way, coming here by itself is bad, but coming here in Shiba's presence with Shiba's company, it's 10 times worse because she's gonna stop at every counter. Even if 2 consecutive counters are both selling the same thing and she's already bought the same thing from the previous counter, she will still stop at the next counter. I'm very serious. I'm considering this as a signal that maybe I should pack my bags and go home. I don't know what's gonna happen.
हाँ सो हुआ क्या जिस चीज़ का मुझे ऑलरेडी डाउट था और मैंने थोड़ा सा हिंट भी किया दैट माइट जस्ट हैपन. हम लोग वहाँ से निकलते हम लोगों ने 5 बजे का एस्टिमेट लगाया था एंड 8:30 हो गए तो
8:30.
या सो उसके बाद हम लोग यहाँ पहुँचे. देन हम लोग को था कि हम थोड़ा सा हिल रोड का मार्केट घूमें एंड वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा घूमा करते बहुत ज़्यादा लेट हो गया. सो वी थॉट कि इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस कि हम लोग कैंडीज़ जाएँ तो बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू स्पेंड सम टाइम ओवर देयर एंड चिल. एंड क्या कर रहा है लुक एट द कैमरा. doesn't know how to handle camera. He doesn't know at all कभी camera ऊपर नीचे. So anyway, coming back to the point. So the thing is, we couldn't go to Candies. We dropped that plan and we rather were roaming around in the Hill Road market and buying stuff. I really love buying from street market and cheap, affordable. एक दो बार पहना फेंका and variety भी हो गया. So why not, So I'm sure a lot of girls like that kind of stuff. I'm not a person to run off the brand. I'm not brand conscious at all. So anyway, then after that we came back to we not came back. We came to this Carter Road market and यहाँ पे जो food street बनी हुई है. But we were so full that we couldn't eat anything. So now we are thinking of going back home because it's almost 11. So by the time we reach and we do all the tam sham, so it'll be like past 12. And I have got some work to do and भाई time to सोना भी होता है. So now we are leaving from here. So I hope you like this vlog. On this note, please do like, subscribe, share. And Amu is still not gonna come in the frame. And I think by now Manu is also tired. And उसकी शक्ल भी 12 बजे धोने की शक्ल पे मनु की शक्ल भी 12 बजे. Anybody is not showing his face. So anyway, guys, take care. Bye bye.